Computer languages. Humans use language to communicate, and different regions have different languages. Computers also have their own languages. The term computer language includes a wide variety of languages used to communicate with computers. Different kinds of languages have been developed to perform different types of work on the computer. Basically, languages can be divided into two categories. Two basic types of computer languages. Low-level language. A language that corresponds directly to a specific machine. There are two types of low-level languages. Machine language. A language that is directly understood by the hardware. Machine language is the lowest and most elementary level of programming language. It was the first type of programming language to be developed. It uses binary digits 0 and 1 for giving instruction. Assembly language. A slightly more user-friendly language that directly corresponds to machine language. Assembly language was developed to overcome some of the many inconveniences of machine language. This is another low-level but very important language in which operation codes and operands are given in the form of alphanumeric symbols instead of zeros and ones. It is called mnemonics. Note: because of this feature, assembly language is also known as symbolic programming language. High-level language. Any language that is independent of the machine. Types of high-level languages are basic, beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code, Fortran, formula translation, PL/1, programming language version 1, ALGOL, algorithmic language, C, C++, Java, etc. High-level languages allow a user to give instruction in the English language, which makes them easier to learn. Programs developed on one system can be executed on other systems and will produce the same output. It uses the translator program for converting the high-level programs into machine language. Compiler and interpreter are used as translators in HLL. Compiler. Compiler is translator program that converts the whole HLL source program into object code, machine program code, at once, and also generates list of errors and shows it to the user. Interpreter. Interpreter is translator program that convert HLL programs line by line. If there is any error at any point or line, program execution will stop until error is removed or debugged. 4GL. This generation of language allows non-programmer user to write programs to query databases and to generate custom reports. Characteristics of 4GL. User-friendly. Execution is fast. Easy to learn and program by non-programmer user. Use of artificial intelligence and neural network. 4GL are closer to human language than other high-level languages and are accessible to people without formal training as programmers. Clarion, Dataflax, Ford tool, PLI generator are the examples of 4GL.